So we got a call from a guy in, I guess it's considered 5 Mile Pass still. It's technically right before 5 Mile Pass. It's actually right where we recovered that rolled over F-150. This guy is not wrecked or anything. He's totally fine. He's just stuck in the mud. A couple guys came out to help him, and now they're stuck in the mud. So he called us. We're gonna go see what we can do. Hook a strap to him and just pull him back over to the road and send them on their way, but we'll see when we get there. Should be a fun time for 10:30 at night. Yeah.
Oh, really? You guys have a good website? This guy designs websites for a living. You need a good website. You do? A good one?
We don't have a website.
That's
Yeah.
it right there.
What's up, Lunchbox?
I'm on Fox. Yeah. I'm on
Create a
Fox.
website for recovery.
That would be awesome.
He does a good job. So yeah, this is me trying to get out. This is a good one. This is a good one for the YouTube channel. Get it? Oh yeah. It's like,
Whoa.
I was just told you had to give it onion. He just said get the onion and you'll get out. And that's
Well,
what I did and I got stuck.
You don't have onion tires.
Oh boy.
That's
Dude, these are like 6 months old. Not even, look at that tread.
So what
Jeez.
he's talking about is, yeah, what he's
they're low
talking about is
profile.
not that necessarily a deep tread, it's that they're really wide, and the low profile means you have no sidewall give at all.
so in
So
most
once these
types
once
of
these ball
off-road,
up with mud,
you want as
they're
much
done.
rubber as you can aired down, and that makes your footprint way bigger.
Oh.
So when you've got,
Johnny did say let's air down the tires. I
You
said,
can't-
don't touch my tires.
you can't really air these down because they're low profile.
yeah, you could air these
That's the
down to
problem.
15,
And I
and they
knew that.
wouldn't
See, that's what
hardly
I said.
squat at all.
Yeah, they
See,
wouldn't
that's
make
why I
any
said
difference.
don't do that, Tony.
And in this kind of stuff,
There we go.
the first time that tire spins, you've got slicks.
Yeah.
So the amount of tread on it doesn't do you a whole lot of good.
Well,
So what I'm thinking is we'll just pull that one out, and then we'll back up to this one. If we could take this out, we'll use a kinetic energy rope.
okay. Let's do it.
We just left it in case you wanted to use them.
Just so you know, you want to hear what happened? Me and who's that? Oh, that's
Lunchbox.
This dip here shooting, and I was like, all right, who do I call? We called Johnny because he owed me a favor, and before Johnny left, I was like, all right, we got to call the tow guy because he's not gonna get that. He's gonna get stuck too. So we got a twofer here.
So does he still owe you the favor since
Oh yeah.
he didn't pull you out?
Yep, he still does. Yep. Damn right. He sure does.
I told him when I left I don't think I could do much.
Do you want to use the Land Cruiser or the diesel?
This one will probably go right out.
This one will be easy.
That one we might want to winch out of the holes and then drag out. So
I bet your Land Cruiser would get you more views.
We use the Land Cruiser on most things.
Yeah.
Oh yeah?
We have a few different vehicles. We both have Land Cruisers on 40s, and that's what we use most of the time.
It's pretty cool, man. I just don't want my wife to see the video. She thinks I'm an AA right now.
We can blur faces.
Oh yeah. You wanna?
Do you guys want to shoot a mouse before you start doing that? There's some rabbit.
Do you want a bridle?
I got two.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's what I look like coming in.
Yeah. That's the onion right there, Coleman.
Good.
Yeah.
So we'll just put this out on the road. Which are you guys headed out?
Yeah.
So let's just go around the blue diesel
Head that way.
and point it that way.
Okay, hopefully it's good. Love that. Did you hear that, Cole?
Well, it might be harder to pull this and that against.
it's not going to be hard enough that it's going to matter.
I think this will be fine.
I forget he has a soft shackle on there.
Might have got mine out, but I don't know about this.
Is all yours, Caleb?
Thanks, man.
Take it home.
You're nice.
Take it home.
Yep.
Pull you out of those holes?
No, we'll wait till we get that pulled out and then worry about it. I can pull out of them, I just have to throttle out. I don't want to do that with the winch hooked up. Good. Here, I got a trailer hitch thing. Okay. Those oils on this? Yeah.
Good! We've never found something we can't get out, and this is not even close to those worst we've seen.
Oh wow, that's good. That's cool.
This isn't the worst we've seen this week. Needed something heavy enough to hold that one still.
Yeah.
Caleb and Lunchbox, bringing it home.
The air guy will find that. Glad he's here though. Johnny, don't get stuck.
There we go. Oh, no, it sank again.
You guys have a lot of late nights,
Yes. A lot of late nights.
And I'll tell you why. It's not because people get stuck at night. It's because they try everything all day and then call us at night.
Listen,
You're the last resort.
when he got here, he's like, guys, I was like, let's just wait for them. It'll just get worse. You'll get prepared for it. And we're like, dude, I'm sinking right here. He's like, you gotta try everything. I'm saving your number.
Save it. Yeah.
Dude,
give it to all your friends.
I've
give
been
you some cards.
I've been in some predicaments.
You want me to pull you out of those holes before you unhook?
That's your problem
forward a little bit and then get the sack out of the ring. Okay.
Yeah, cool. What is it? Is it Toyota?
They're a Land Cruiser.
Yeah.
That's what gets her done.
Make those.
Let's see him get out of this one.
Why not? Let's
It's gonna make it look like my
This is one.
Oh. Send Mike that.
I told him he should just let me pull him out.
Yeah, this is the fun. This is why he comes out right here.
Yeah.
See,
trying to get, now that it's on top, if he can get any traction, it'll pull it out just fine. I can't see a thing. Should have let me pull you out. Now the truck's on.
Oh, my phone just got power will go. Yeah. All the power will go.
Sure you don't want to see if it'll pull first?
Well,
because this truck isn't doing anything. I turn the wheels.
oh, it
And it-
doesn't have any help at all?
No, it's
No.
it's zero help.
Let's bring your diesel back too then, and just use this and your diesel, pull both of them and train.
Okay, we'll do one pull. Then we'll get the
Just
diesel.
see if it goes. Yeah, it's real soft still. I think we'll probably need to use both of them. Did it bring you back at all?
About a foot and a half.
Yeah. As soon as I hit the end, it just sunk.
Get out
Go
or?
to the
Ben
road.
wants to go to the road.
Oh.
We do what Ben wants. We do what Ben says.
Only if we don't want to hear about it for the next 30 minutes.
Yeah, you don't want it. You know, I was a little worried for a minute. I was like, the guy didn't ask me, like, what am I driving? How bad is it? I was like, either this guy's like super legit or he's just a gung-ho guy in a Toyota Tacoma. And then I felt really dumb when I was like, hey, what are you driving? I felt really dumb after that. After now seeing you guys.
It's funny.
Let's go with
because-
both.
He didn't ask any
Yeah,
questions. He's
legit
like,
and gung-ho.
he's like, yeah, let's go. Yeah, I can be there.
Can you drive? Yeah, there's no front. I don't think it's your Burfield, Ben. Go ahead and suck it in. I'll just pull you out on the road.
Probably gonna need some help. It's just dragging your truck. You might have to deadhead the Land Cruiser to your truck.
Freaking Chevy got it saved today, man. Yeah, how did that go? Wow.
I guess I missed the joke.
I said my dad's gonna be pissed his truck's dirty.
Oh.
I would bet now with a head start I could make it to the hill. If I
It's way worse than when you came in here. I actually think if you got a head start right now, you wouldn't get 10 feet.
really
Yeah,
way more
it's
muddy.
really mucky.
Yeah, because when I drove in, I drove all out around here.
Yeah.
You want to just drive it the rest of the way, Ben? I think we're gonna have to let it off and pull your truck up onto the road and then start pulling again. Because you're in some holes. You can, but I think it'll pull it out.
You don't have lockers.
Jump in and try.
Worst comes to worst, we hit the go out button.
Picking up strangers. I'm so hungry.
Well, we didn't kill any coyotes tonight. So. I have to call you again.
I just told Haley our commitment was we'd be home by 2 a.m.
Yeah, it was short to go.
Done! Go ahead. You'll have to go that way left, so we're pointing that direction.
Lunchbox does it again.
Hell yeah, lunchbox.
I enjoy putting in the effort.
Okay, see you, Johnny.
Okay, enjoy.
Thank you.
Yep. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Well, there's a lot softer out there than I thought it was going to be. It was warm today, so all of the ice has melted. The ground's not frozen, so it was pretty soft. The tires were really sinking. We got the first one pulled out, no problem. The second one was buried a little bit more and just couldn't gain much traction. Took a little bit more effort, some winching to get them pulled out. Seemed to have broke something in the front end of the Land Cruiser. Don't know 100% for sure what it is. Ring and pinion, locker, Burfield. We'll figure it out. I'll get it pulled apart and get some parts ordered and get that fixed so it's good to go again. But we got them out. It wasn't too bad, didn't take too long. So, it's a good night. Time to go home.
Thanks for watching.